morning children, welcome to the online class. In the last class, we have learnt about the congruence of triangles, types of congruence of triangles. Now let us solve the problems of congruence of triangles. So in this class, you will be learning more about criteria for congruence of triangles. Criteria means conditions for congruence of triangles. You have learnt the 5 conditions where you can say 2 triangles are congruent. One is that you have learnt is SAS, ASA, AAS, SSSS and RHS congruence rule. Now let me take the first rule, that is SAS congruence rule. That SAS congruence rule states that 2 triangles are congruent if 2 sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the corresponding 2 sides and the included angle of the other triangle, then the 2 triangles are congruent. So you have to write in front of this the rule and then draw the 2 figures. After drawing, you have to write in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. AB is equal to DE, AC is equal to DF, angle A is equal to angle D. Therefore, the 2 triangles are congruent by which rule? SAS rule. Let me solve the example 1 based on SAS rule. In that he has given that in this figure OA is equal to OB and OD is equal to OC. What I am supposed to show is triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB. These 2 triangles have to show they are congruent. So solution, what is SOL means? It is solution. In triangle AOB and triangle COB, OA is equal to OB and OD is equal to OC. This is because given. And angle AOD is equal to angle COB because vertically opposite angles. Therefore, the 2 triangles are congruent. By which rule? SAS rule. Because 2 sides and one angle are equal to the corresponding 2 sides and the other angle. Therefore, we can say 2 triangles are congruent. When 2 triangles are congruent, you should always know that the corresponding sides and corresponding angles will be equal. So, the remaining angle, that is angle A, will be equal to angle A, angle B, angle D is equal to angle C. Therefore, I can write when 2 triangles are congruent, angle OAD is equal to angle OBC. But these are what type of angles? These are alternate angles. If alternate angles are equal, then the 2 lines will be parallel. Therefore, I can write AD is parallel to BC. This is example 1. Similarly, in the example 2, he says that AB is a line segment, L is a line. And it is not just a line, it is a perpendicular bisector. So, now then he says that on this line L, there lies a point P. And this line L passes through AB at C, which is the midpoint of AB. So, I have written all this in the given. What we are supposed to show that AB is equal to BP. To show that AB is equal to BP, I have to show these 2 triangles are congruent. That's all. So easy, you see children. In triangle ACP and triangle BCP, AC is equal to BC. Why you tell me? Because C is the midpoint. Then angle ACP is equal to angle BCP is equal to 90 degree because this is perpendicular bisector. Then CP is equal to CP because it is a common side. 2 sides and one angle are equal to the corresponding sides and the angle. Therefore, 2 triangles are congruent. When you say 2 triangles are congruent, the remaining sides will be equal. That is, AP will be equal to BP. Finished. It's very easy, children. You can solve the exercise problem by yourself. See, in exercise 5.1, he says that, open page number 91, he says exercise 5.1, in the quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisects angle, show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. It's very easy. What does he say? First, whenever you solve the problem, you should read the problem, analyze the problem, that what you are asked to find out. So, in that he says that there is a quadrilateral AB problem and able to write the given things in quadrilateral ABCD. What he has given is AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. Is this what I am writing correct? If not, so if you are in the class and have told this it is wrong, rub it and write. But let me go through. AC is equal to AD. Yes, I have written correct. AC is equal to AD. Then he says AB bisects angle A. What do you mean by AB bisects angle A? AB bisects angle A means it divides this AB line divides the angle A into two equal parts. Therefore, I can write angle CAB is equal to angle BAD. What I am supposed to show? It is asked to show that two triangles are congruent. Triangle. What is that triangle is? Triangle ACB, or you can even write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. To show these two triangles are congruent, you make use of the SAS rule. What is that SAS rule I have to make use now? I have to take these two triangles in triangle ABC as well as triangle what is that is ABD. Yes, already given that AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. What is this? Given. One side will be usually common. Which is a common side identified, children? It is AB. AB is equal to AB. It is common side. And which angle is equal to which angle? You see that it is angle CAB is equal to angle BAD. This is also what is that is given. Therefore, you can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. By which rule you have to mention? That is SAS rule. Once two triangles are congruent, corresponding parts will be equal. Therefore, even I can write BC is therefore. What is that is? BC is equal to BD because it is corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. If you read the problem, then you should be able to identify the given elements in that and later what you have to find. What is the second problem? He says, in the second problem he says that, see the second problem, there also he has given a quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. So immediately you can write given. What is given? ABCD is a quadrilateral. Later he says, what we let us read. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Then what else he says after that? ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC. In which AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. Not only that he says, and angle DAB. DAB. This is B, no? DAB is equal to angle DAB is equal to angle CBA is equal to angle CBA. Correct? What we have to prove? To prove, you can see three things we are supposed to prove. Triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. Which is the triangle ABD you see? ABD. This is the triangle. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. BAC. Then I am supposed to join this like this. Correct? So it's congruent to triangle BAC. Is this only this he has given? No. Two more he has given. given BD is equal to AC. Then once again he has given angle ABD is equal to BAC. B is equal to angle BAC. Got it now? Let us go to prove that. What is the first one we have to take? Which two triangles we are supposed to take? You see here, triangle ABD. So, in triangle solution, in triangle ABD as well as comma triangle BAC, BAC. You see, in triangle ABD and triangle BAC, already we have written given AD is equal to BC. I have not written here, no? I think it is C B. AD is equal to BC. This is already given. Then he has already told that DAB, this is one triangle, correct? ABD, angle A, CBA, this triangle, correct? BAC, CBA, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. This is already given. This is also given. One side will be common for both the triangles, which is a one side common, that is AB. AB is equal to AB. Why? Because it is a common side. Therefore, you can write triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by which rule? That is SAS rule. Once when you see that two triangles are congruent, corresponding parts will be equal, that is BD is equal to AC, angle ABD is equal to BAC. Why? Because these are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Only thing you have to do is two triangles are congruent. Once you say the two triangles are congruent, then naturally what happens? Remaining sides and the remaining angles will be equal. That's what you have done here, children. Got it? You have to solve all the problems. 4 problems I have shown today. Hope you will write during the heading. Last class master must have taken all that. You have to write that first points. You have to continue. After polynomials, you have to give the heading congruence of triangles. First you write whatever the master has told for you all. Then give the heading criteria for congruence of triangles, and whatever I have told 5 congruence. Then go for the essays with example 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and exercise 2 problems. Thank you children. Have a nice day.